Which AI tool do you think obliterates the competition? And which one is just plain bad? Today I'm putting a free AI tool up against a $200 piece of software. One's about to get slammed, the other's about to destroy the old way of working. I've used both, and the winner shocked me. I gave them the same challenge: create a high-converting ad for a new coffee shop. Same prompt, same time limit, but only one actually nailed it. And the loser? I'll blame for wasting hours of my life. And here's why this matters. You could use these free sites to make real money. Write blog posts for clients, create ad copy, design social media content, build presentations. Businesses pay hundreds for this work, and you can do it without spending a dime. So who won? The free AI, hands down. It's faster, cleaner, and didn't cost me a cent. The $200 tool, I'm calling it out. Bad value. The Mint AI Starter Lab is in the works. Subscribe now so you're first to join for free when it launches. And if you want to start making money with AI today, watch my How to Use ChatGPT tutorial right here.